guys, good morning and welcome to my channel, Step Into a New Day Life Coaching. Today is Saturday and I am going with it again, and I want to do another vlog today. And today I just want to kind of share with you and kind of unfold my day, as well as share with you my new website that I have for my life coaching. I want to share that with you at some point today, and just kind of see where today takes us. So I would love for you to join along with me. And for those of you that do not know me, my name is Brandis, and I was a Spanish high school teacher turned stay-at-home mom turned certified professional Christian life coach. And I love helping mothers feel good in their homes, minds, bodies, and spirits, and live God's best for their life. And I like to communicate that here on my channel. And I am working really hard to get this up. For the upcoming week, I have a goal to try to do a video, whether it be a vlog or some type of a topic video, every single week. So I am praying that this makes it for the next week. And let's just see where today takes us. You guys, so it is about 8:34 and I'm gonna go ahead and drink my green smoothie, which is something that I normally drink every day. So I have water in here, I have protein powder, I have a little bit of lemon, I have an apple, cilantro, lemon juice is what I meant. I have, oops, I forgot my basil. Where did I put that? Now I'm like, where did it go? I feel like I accidentally threw out my basil. I'm gonna have to go get some more because I just picked some earlier. And I have some greens, some arugula, and I think that is about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab, because I think I accidentally threw out that basil that I picked this morning. So I'm gonna go out and grab a little bit more and get this blended up. All right, so I am outside. I have my green smoothie. It is all done and made. It is a little bit kind of cloudy out here. It's a little wet, but I like to get outside when I can. And I like to get my journaling done and some Bible reading done. I brought out a towel just in case I need to, in case the surface is wet, but it seems pretty good. So I can put stuff on here if I need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and just enjoy a little bit of me time. So yes, this is the current journal that I have right now, Own the Day, and I have probably a third of it left. And I love to, every time I get a new journal, I'll write down an intention and kind of like what I'm hoping to, achieve or learn or do. I always write that in the front cover of every new journal. So it's kind of cool. It's like every new journal is like an entryway point to a new part in my life. So there's a, strong significance to journaling for me. So I finished some journaling and now I'm going to go ahead, start my Bible. You guys, I have a King James version that was gifted to me by my father-in-law. And I've had this since, probably 2010 or 2009. I don't even quite remember, but I have so much just writing all over it. I have so many notes to myself. I just tons of different, Bible verses that I'll write down on a piece of paper, and I just have it all in here tucked away And so that's what makes this Bible very, very special to me. And right now I am in Proverbs, and I believe I am on chapter 25. You guys, I am just heading out. I'm gonna go for a walk with a friend right now. So I washed my face, put on some sunscreen, threw on a hat, and I am all ready to go. As you can tell, I'm washing my sheets and doing stuff like that right now. And I want to quickly show you the book that I was talking about in the last vlog that I wasn't able to show you before. All right, so this book is so cute. I found it when I was visiting family at a thrift shop, and it is Sarah Bon Breathnock. She wrote Simple Abundance, but this book also is called Mrs. Sharp's Traditions, and it's reviving Victorian family celebrations of comfort and joy, and it's just so cute. It is like historical fiction. The author found a big bin of Victorian, I think, journals and magazines and things like that, and she was able to go ahead and put it into a book month by month, how the Victorians did their celebrations. And I don't know, I'm very drawn to that time period. And so it has been a joy to read. And I may do a little book review on my channel about it, but it has just been great. Right now I am in the spring. I think I'm in the month of March, because this book is divided by months, and it just talks about the celebrations that they do. And it has been a really, really peaceful read. So I wanted to share that book with you if you guys are into the Victorian period too. So I just finished my walk. It was probably about a half an hour walk or so. And there's just this little pond where I live. There's a bunch of ducks over there just floating around. And it's just so peaceful today because it's not super hot and there's a nice wind. And I'm just plopped down. I am on the grass and I just want to sit and do nothing and just think and be. And so maybe if that's something you haven't done in a while, just find a space, just sit and be. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then when I get home, I wanna show you guys the Step Into a New Day life coaching website and kind of talk to you a little bit about that. But right now I am just going to hang out. Look at these cute little duckies. They're just swimming around. Whole big family of them, whole big line of them. They're just hanging out. They're so peaceful to just watch. They're just chilling little ducklings. All right, hey you guys, so I am back from sitting at the pond this beautiful morning. It was so pretty, and I feel very refreshed just being outside and everything like that. So I want to I just want to go ahead and show you guys the website that has been a long time in the making. It is www.stepintoanewday.com. And this website is, I'm just hoping it's going to give people a lot more information about life coaching, what it is that I actually do, how the coaching process works, and any other questions that you may have about that. So I just want to share it with you because this is just exciting. And this is going to be a website that's going to be with my life coaching business for a very long time. So I just want to quickly share that with you. And you see me back there. I see myself in the mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and share that with you. All right. So I don't know how to record from my computer to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and just show it to you this way where I'm actually filming it. When you get to Step Into a New Day, you're going to get a pop-up. And I do have a PDF that you're able to get that it is an emotional release journaling guide. It's the way that I kind of do my journaling at times when I do have intense emotions that I really feel that I want to clear out and I want to create space to move forward with. So you're able to get one of those if you put your email in there. And so I'm going to click out of that because that'll pop up. And here is the website. Just so excited about it. Michelle from lodomarketing.com put the website together, and she was such a joy to work with and absolutely just loved working with her. She was so patient with me. And so basically, you just scroll down and I've got the climb on here, a little bit about me. I have about 4 testimonials on here that you can read through. And there's this menu bar right here. And this is going to give you information about how to book a discovery call with me, which would just be a free call where we chat and see if coaching would be a good fit for you. The coaching process, if you want to kind of understand what it's about, I think that this is a great tab to go to. This tab talks about my services and what it is that I am offering right now. And so I have my one-on-one coaching, group coaching, speaking is something that I want to get into, and teaching. And right now, out of all of these, I'm doing the one-on-one. I've done a group before. I would love to do that again. And then speaking and teaching is definitely a realm that I want to get to as well. So it's kind of cool because these are areas that I am able to grow into. And then as we go down further, you've got your facts that you can look at where it just describes coaching more. My YouTube channel is connected to this website. Again, the climb is there, and then just a way that you can go ahead and contact me. It just brings you to the bottom where you're able to contact me with any questions that you have. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I encourage you to just take a look at it. Tell women that are wanting to rediscover themselves, that are wanting to really go after the dreams that God has for them. Any women that are maybe in some type of a transitional period with career, these are the type of women that I would love to help. The women that are ready to go, they are ready to make some changes in their life, and they would love to walk with someone to do so. I am the person for that. So I would love and be so thankful. And thank you just so much for coming on me with this journey as I continue to move forward with my coaching business. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it a vlog here. Got the bedding on. Bed is made. I think the rest of the day, my daughter did some acting, so I think we got the MP3 file, so we get to watch her acting camp that she did, and she did Encanto. So I think we're gonna do that tonight with dinner and some popcorn and maybe go for a walk later. But thank you for spending the morning with me, and thank you for checking out my new website. And I'm having fun doing this vlogging. And so we'll see what next week will bring. But please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for spending time with me. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.